If you are blind, losing your sight, or you love someone who is, this video could change how you cook forever. The kitchen is one of the first places independence slips away after vision loss. But 4 apps available on your phone right now can hand that independence back. No special glasses required, no expensive gadgets needed. Just your phone, your voice, and recipes designed to work without ever looking at the screen. First up is Cookie Voice Recipes, available on iPhone and iPad. This app was built in 2025 by a developer who worked directly with blind and low vision cooks at every stage. You open the app, say the wake word cookie, and then ask anything you need. Cookie, what is the next step? Cookie, how much olive oil? Cookie, what can I use instead of buttermilk? The app answers out loud in clear, natural speech. You can paste any recipe link, and Cookie strips away the ads and long blog stories, leaving only the ingredients and steps. You can even photograph a page from a cookbook, and Cookie extracts the recipe for you. It is free to start, and it currently holds a 4.9-star App Store rating. Our second app is a little different. Crouton, for iPhone, iPad, and Mac, was not built specifically for blind cooks. But it won an Apple Design Award in 2024 for its hands-free interaction design. That is exactly why it earns a spot here. Crouton imports recipes from any website or even from a photo of a cookbook page and walks you through cooking one step at a time. With messy hands, just wink at the camera to move to the next step, or open and close your mouth to bring up the ingredient list. Step-by-step mode keeps each instruction simple and screen reader friendly. With over 2,000 reviews averaging 4.8 stars, Crouton is the most polished iPhone option on this list. Third is ckbk, spelled ckbk. This one runs on both iPhone and Android, which makes it a great option for viewers anywhere in the world. Think of ckbk as Spotify for cookbooks. One subscription unlocks over 165,000 recipes from more than 1,000 published cookbooks covering 80 different cuisines. Authors include Marcella Hazan, Mark Bittman, Nisha Katona, and Le Cordon Bleu. What makes ckbk special is that the team worked directly with blind cook Adrian Higginbotham and Paralympic gold medalist Laura Fasci to refine the screen reader experience across the entire app. They even offer a 25% discount for blind users with the code COOKINGBLIND. It is rated 4.7 stars on iPhone and 4.8 stars on Android. And finally, Paprika Recipe Manager 3. If you want one single app that follows you across iPhone, iPad, Android, Mac, and Windows, this is the one. You save recipes from any website with a tap, and Paprika automatically pulls out the ingredients and steps in a clean, screen reader-friendly format. It builds your grocery list, plans your meals for the week, and starts timers when you tap a cook time inside a recipe. The team at Hindsight Labs went through every single screen to make sure VoiceOver and TalkBack read every button correctly. With over 50,000 ratings averaging 4.9 stars on the App Store, it is the most polished and reliable option on this list. So there you have it. Cookie for true hands-free cooking. Crouton for award-winning step-by-step design. ckbk for serious cookbook content from around the world. And Paprika for the most reliable everyday recipe manager. Links to all 4 apps are in the description below. If this video helped you or someone you love, please share it widely, hit the like button, and subscribe for more. Happy cooking, everyone!